Hello YouTube. Remember to still practice safe distancing. Right now we're on the second machine of the day, which is a vertical machining center. It's got a very high capacity. It's got 4.10 meters by 1.5 meters by 880 millimeters on C axis. It's got a 50 horsepower spindle engine with a 32 tool carousel. It's one of the biggest machines in all north of Mexico. We're still in Torreón, Coahuila, working on our side. We're just about to load one more job in this beautiful machine. This is a die shoe. It's already been finished on one side. We still need to work on the bottom side. We'll do that later. Here's pretty much how the raw material looks before it is prepared to load it on the machine. It's been a great experience making these videos for you guys. I hope you give us a like, and thanks a lot for watching. Remember, the right choice will always be Animar Industries.